Hello people and welcome to Designer How. Today we've got another exciting tutorial for you guys, so let's go. On the timeline we have the clip we wish to set as the background for our text. Select the Type tool and click on the monitor. Now we'll type the text we'd like for our overlay. Let's size it up a bit. In the Essential Graphics panel, we can center it horizontally and vertically for a good fit. Stretch the text layer to coincide with the footage. Now what we want to do is go to Effect and type Track Matte into the search bar. Make sure to drag the Track Matte key effect and drop it onto the footage layer, not the text layer. Now in Effect Controls under Track Matte key, we set Matte to correspond with the track number of the text layer. In our case, this will be Video 2, because it sits on the second track. As you see, we are already getting results. For a cool effect we see used all the time in media, we'll make the text come in and ease into position on screen. We'll head to Scale in Effect Controls and add a keyframe on the first frame. Then we scale up the text until only the bare footage is visible. In our case, however, this is not immediately possible due to the curve of the number 2. This is no problem. We'll add another keyframe, this time for position. Now, we'll shift the position until it is footage only. Then we scrub a few seconds forward into the timeline and use the Reset parameter option on both scale and position, putting them both back to how they were set initially. Not too bad. To smoothen the animation somewhat, we can right-click these keyframes, select Temporal Interpolation, and Ease In. And it is showtime. And there you have it. If this tutorial was of value, please like and subscribe, and we will catch you all on the next one.